I'm not a turning table, so I cannot turn. I cannot turn like this. Oh my God, muscle already. But yeah, you can see that. You teach me how to build it?
Jeffrey.
Jeffrey. Oh, so this is Jeffrey's idea? Wow. So what part do I need? 2x4?
No.
No. A technique?
Yeah.
Oh. You use technique? Unbelievable. This one? We use this one? This part? This
upside
technique?
down. Yeah. Make sure you found 4.
Oh, the one that is upside down. Inverted.
Make sure you found 4.
Okay. It's called inverted. Okay.
I
This
got
is not
red.
inverted. Okay, just to show. This is not inverted. This is inverted. See the difference?
You guys
It's upside.
do.
That's why they call it upside down.
I can whistle.
Whistle. Blow the whistle. But it's not gonna make a sound. Okay, I got 4.
I can make my own sound.
What next? Yes.
This.
2x4. Yes. What color? Any color I want.
Color. Daddy.
Choose red. There you go.
Daddy.
Red.
Daddy, why so fancy you can use red iron cheese?
What is that? There.
The red iron cheese. And you put it
transparent.
like this.
Oh, we need transparent.
When you found
Okay.
orange cheese, you use red iron.
Okay, let's get that. Let's get that. But I can use only not transparent, right?
But you
Why?
should have found it.
I know, but why do you choose transparent?
Because I use it. See? Do you think this is like a baby
so that it looks
dump
like a
truck?
glass? Look like a glass?
This is like a baby dump truck.
Baby dump truck. Okay, so basically we just need to build the bottom, right?
Build 2
The
baby
bottom,
dump
which
trucks.
look like this.
I want to make 2 baby dump trucks.
And then we can actually build anything we want on top.
I will put those. Daddy said it's cheese.
Oh, cheese, transparent cheese.
To get 4.
4?
Huh? 4.
Why 4?
Yeah.
How to put it?
When you put another over here, you can put another cheese.
Okay. I don't have enough 4. Hold on. 1, 2. The transparent plate. 1x2.
Yeah. Put it closer.
Like this.
And then put another cheese.
Oh, so you mean I just need to raise it up? So it looks like this?
Yeah, like that.
Oh, I see. Don't you think it looks like a Tesla truck? That's the panel.
That's Sandy Fire.
Yeah, panel.
They're putting like that.
Put it
But I'm
together.
putting like this.
And it becomes a dump truck. Yeah, I got my dump
And
truck.
I put those.
Oh, but something is missing, right?
Hmm?
The wheels. Oh, I see. So you use the flour for the wheel. But I can use something
you can
else,
use
right?
flour wheel.
I see. I'm conventional, so I want the wheel as black color.
Now I need just sticker.
And that's it. I got my first truck.
Put something.
Oh, that's the load. Okay. Yeah, we can put something for the load. Anyway, that's the load. There you go.
Wow,
And my truck is ready.
You just have 1. I got 2.
Vroom, 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 vroom.
Daddy, I got 2.
Vroom, vroom, vroom,
Vroom,
vroom.
vroom, vroom. Boom.
Oh, don't hit me, please. I'm only 1. Vroom, 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 vroom. Vroom. There you go. That's so easy. And it looks really nice.
Put the cover, they're gonna be pretend juice. It's gonna pretend. 2 apple juice and 2 orange juice.
Okay, where to put?
Put it on the back.
Can you put? The car is so
No.
small.
Have to make another one.
Okay, make a lot of bigger car.
I'm getting parts. First is the plate. And then these are the same grade. I gotta stick the glass on it. And another one in the back. Another cheese. Another one. Now there's 3. Another cheese. 1. 4. And then let's try put this one. What And this is cheese. And the plate. And I gotta put the glass. I just stick it. And 2, 3, 4. Stick some. And the wheel, tire, here, there.
Ah, so big. So this is for juice. Sending juice?
Uh-huh.
Send to who?
Just put it to the supermarket and someone buys it. Here's the supermarket, dude. You salty for it. I'm thirsty. That one. Get another one. Daddy, look at this one.
What?
Look.
Oh, what is that?
This is the cars holding glass and I'm bringing to the supermarket and put it. Vroom, vroom!
You have to go slow, otherwise you spill the juice.
No, I stick it.
We stick it. Okay. This is how to use this part. Okay. Take one of this.
Combine together.
Yes, we can. See? Now, what you can do with this is that you can attach this to one car and then put it to the other car, and then you can pull that car. Cool. Do you want to hook them up so that you can pull one to the other? Right, that's
Do
it.
like a choo-choo train.
Yeah, it's like a choo-choo train. Now, we gonna try to build the carriers, right? So, I'm gonna need is actually a longer plate. A longer plate.
It's
Put it that
running.
way. It's running? What is running?
No, it's driving, I said.
Oh, it's driving, I see.
Yeah,
Okay.
I connect them together. They're
Yeah, I'm gonna need the
fine.
panel. Panel. Right there.
How can I connect the other together?
You get one more. You get one more.
There you go. This can carry a big log, like a timber.
Daddy!
I know, not yet done. I'm gonna use that also. Good job, Jeffrey. You found that part. I'm gonna put the wheels. There you go.
That one is on just sticker.
Yeah, I got a sticker, so there you go. Oh, you got 2 stickers, but missing this one. That's fine. If we can find the sticker, that would be great. I'm gonna need a different joint because you cannot put like 2 by 2. You can only use 1 by 2 like that, and then combine them. And now you get a truck. You get a truck that you can combine with this. That's longer now. Look at that.
That's 2, so
Ooh,
young.
yeah, look at that. Vroom, 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 vroom. I can carry a log. I can carry a timber. That looks like a coconut tree, but that's fine. Let's see. Still considered as a tree. Look at that. That's a load. I'm carrying a tree. It's a very long tree. Who's gonna need to cook with the wood? I'm gonna deliver this to who?
You, Daddy!
Vroom, vroom, vroom.
3 cars!
Oh, 3 cars. I got 1 long car.
Boom.
There you go. It passed through it.
And it's like red means stop.
Yep.
Boom!
There you go. So that's how to build a mini truck.
Daddy!
Mini dump truck. Wow, be careful, be careful. It's gonna fall to the cliff. You're gonna fall off the cliff.
Let's try to turn.
Try to turn, right.
But it's pushing. Yeah, because it's like driving in a circle.
Driving in a circle? Yeah, it's driving in a circle.
It say, hey, stop please.
Is there a police car? Where's the
Yeah,
police
yeah.
car?
It said stop please.
Oh, stop
I need
please.
to come over.
Oh, okay.
The wood fell off. The wood fell off, Daddy.
Oh, the wood fell off.
I have to use something to close it.
Can someone help to load it up?
No.
No?
You have to use something to close it.
Okay, can you change that so that you can close it? Can you use to close it? Yes, so put it there. Put it there. You can modify, you can always change it so that it becomes the truck that you wanted. So put something here so that you can close the front, which is, which panel? This panel, right? And then you can use 2x2 and then, no, 1x2 and then 1x4. There you go. See?
It fits.
Yeah, it fits. Yeah.
Hey, yeah, it's going
See,
up.
that's a nice thing about Lego.
And look.
It fits. Now
It
it doesn't
fit
fall.
anywhere.
Yeah, it doesn't fall anymore.
Whoa! Oh, Paw Patrol!
Where's the Paw Patrol helping?
Is that the Paw Patrol
This is the
to
Paw Patrol.
help?
Paw Patrol. There you go. Paw Patrol.
Oh, yuck! It's falling!
It's falling. Paw Patrol coming to help.
No, not just can fly.
So who?
Sky!
Oh, Sky. Sky can help.
Look, it's falling!
Jeffrey, help, Jeffrey. Oh my God, it rolls over.
It's the rock.
Oh.
It takes the rock.
So who can help? Who can help to get it up and running again?
Oh no, the things fell off.
Yeah, so build another one. Looks like a blue, white, and
Policeman.
looks like a police car, exactly. So that's why I'm building this up. Like that. And then I need a red and blue lights on top. Can you find the red, please?
Yes.
It's on top.
This
There you
is
go.
not a car.
That's a police.
That's a police
That's a
car.
police truck with a strong bumper. I put a black bumper over there. Now I need the panel. Where's the panel? Luckily, we found this one. Look.
Police.
Police. So we can put that. See that? See? That's a police. There you go.
It looks like a
Police is coming to help. Police is coming to
A
help.
wood stuck.
Police is coming to help.
Where the wood? They push. Thanks, wood. Then put on the back. Put on the back. The policeman
Black
said,
and white.
"Where's the bad guy?
Yeah, the bad guy is black and white. So let's
Will
put
you?"
bad guy is black and white. So I
Will
know what
you?
I know why you want a black and white, because you know, like the inmates, right? They dress up black and white like a zebra, right? Yeah, so we build that like a zebra. We make like a one extra layer over here, right? So that it looks like a fan. It's a van. Big van.
bad guy.
That's a bad guy. Does it look like a bad guy? Yeah. Wheel, missing the
He
wheel.
don't need orange.
Yeah, orange wheel.
Bad guy have orange wheel?
Yeah, orange wheel. So
But-
you can notice from distance, that's a bad guy, that's a bad guy.
The car can fly.
Yeah, the same. Car can fly. No wings.
You're under the wrist.
So what about the bad guy has a wing? Look,
Wing.
Now can fly.
now he can fly.
Yay! You find more higher.
higher.
Just one.
The police car also can fly without a wing.
Wing. See? Speechless. Speechless. The bad guy has a wing.
Whoa!
Jeffrey, take it.
And the police car has the wing. Look at that.
Daddy, the bad guy's hiding.
Bad guy is hiding where?
Wood.
Look, the police car has the wing now.
Let's have the yuck.
Police car has the wing. The bad guy hiding under the table. See, this is actually show that the car is so tiny. It can hide under the dining table. Unbelievable. Look at that.
Whoa. Cannot get him out.
You cannot get him out? Oh my god.
As when
So,
the police found it, police cannot get
so
out.
it looks like a jail then. Bad guy is in the jail.
Oh, police try to get it.
No, it's already in jail.
It's already in jail. Yeah.
Yeah, this cannot move anywhere to go out. Good job. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my